Hi traders. In today's video I am going to talk about the 4 most important things that you should consider when you are choosing a prop trading firm. The first thing is, don't ever choose a prop firm that is pressuring you in how many trades you have to do and in how many days you should do a certain percent of gain, and especially don't trade with prop firms that are giving you like a 1 month period to complete a full 10% gain with a certain amount of trade and with many strict rules, because I have to tell you, they are only in the game to scam all the money out of your pocket. That is the truth. They are not interested in your abilities. They are not interested if you are a trading genius. They only interested in collecting your fee that you will pay. They even admitted in several interviews that basically their whole business model is to collect the challenge fees, and their whole business is based on those challenge fees, and not what traders think that they are making money from the best traders that are working for them with like millions of dollars, you know. No, they are collecting the challenge fees and they are making millions of dollars because of those fees, not because of the quality of the traders. So it is not true that the strict rules are there because they want to make sure that they hire the best traders. The second thing is, be aware with the prop firms that require to make like 10% gain each month, even if you pass the challenge, because it is completely bullshit. Even good traders, even the best traders in the world, are making way less than 10% a month. So how would a normal retail trader make 10% a month with all these strict rules that they are making to make you fail? So if you see a prop firm that's the price is very good and their support is awesome and their platform is just mobile friendly and everything, but they require you to make like 10% a month, and if you don't make that 10% a month, they actually eliminate you from the program. Keep in mind that, just think about that. How many traders do you see that are living off like from these prop firms, and because they are working at these prop firms and they're making good money? Very few. And how many traders and your friends and your family, how many people do you see to register at these prop firms? Now it is like 1 million more. So the point is that many traders, many people who are naive, they will register at these prop firms, they will give them their hard-earned money and they will fail. And they get eliminated because they didn't meet the requirements each month. And those requirements are just impossible to do on a consistent basis. And there are very few prop firms and very few people who are actually living off what they made at prop firms. Of course, there are people who are do that. Of course, it is 100% a legit business, but most prop firms are not legit. So you have to avoid prop firms that doesn't allow overnight trading, and you have to avoid prop firms that doesn't allow over the weekend trading, because these rules are, in my opinion, also only to eliminate most of the traders and just collect the challenge fee. And so most prop firms say that it is just because traders can't handle to let open positions overnight and over the weekend, they have to rest. They don't care about you, believe me. They only care about themselves. And so it is not a good way to trade, to close every position like every day, because in fact, based on statistics, the most profitable traders and the traders who are actually profitable consistently, they are holding trades overnight and over weekend, and they are mostly swing and trend traders who are going with the trend and riding bigger swings that that are like even a week or 3 weeks or 2 months. And so it is just crazy how these pro firms trying to tell people, yeah, you have to close your positions every day because it will help you to be profitable. Completely bullshit. And also the thing is that these pro firms try to pressure traders as hard as they can, like with how many trades you can do and in how short time you can do these things. And trading is not about time pressure, and they shouldn't tell you how many trades you should do. You have your own style. The fuck? So the last point is, only choose a prop firm that will allow you to pass the challenge in 3 months, and not just 1 month, and not more than 10% in that 3 months. The better if they only require like 6, 7 or 8%, but okay, let's say 10% in 3 months. That should be your requirement for your prop firm that you will use. And choose a prop firm that allows overnight and over weekend trading, and that doesn't have a strict rule on news trading, because that is a complete bullshit as well. And now as you know, I passed 5%ers challenge. That was a perfect prop firm based on my requirements, and they even gave me the 50% of what I made at the challenge. And I already withdrew once after the challenge, and so it is a huge deal when you are trading with a prop firm that they value your work and they are ready to make the withdrawals for you and give you your cut. It is very important. If you are interested in this topic in any way, just tell me in the comments and what kind of topics are you interested in prop trading.